Guys, so today we're gonna learn how to connect one computer from one network to another network with the router. So we have network number one, network number zero, and network number one. So we have all the IPs shown. As you can see, we are gonna try to ping this computer from this other computer. As you can see, both computers are in different networks. So let's go ahead and try it. We go to command prompt, then we ping 192.168.2.10. All right, we're getting some response now. Seems like we can't connect. We're gonna see why in a second. All right. So as you can see, we sent 4 packets and we received 0. Didn't work. So as you can see, our router has an IP address for this network and one for this network. We gotta make sure that our computer has the router as the default gateway. Here we can see that we don't have it, so we're gonna go ahead and type the IP for our gateway, which is this one right here. Okay, we close it, and then we're gonna make sure we have the same setting in our second computer. And yeah, we do have it here. So we have for this network, the network number one, the IP address is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna have 192.168.2 and 1. Okay, now we should be able to connect to the other network. Let's ping our computer. Ping 192.168.2.10. All right, as you can see, we were able to connect. We're gonna take a look at the sniffer. If you don't know a sniffer, we use a sniffer to capture all the packets that are within our network. Let's take a look at this sniffer. We go to the GUI and we have the ARP signals. So here we can see that our computer tried to send an IP at a ping. It was trying to connect to our router, as you can see over here. At the end, we got to have the MAC address for our router, which is gonna be this one right here. We got to connect with our router. So basically, if you want, if you're trying to send a ping over here, you're gonna talk to the router. Hey, can we connect with this IP address from the other network? And the router is gonna basically uh, transfer the message for you. All right, let's take a look at the sniffer we have in our network number one. We go to GUI, and then you can see that we have the ARP signals, right? So basically, we have uh, the uh, the uh, IP from the router, which is this one, is trying to connect with the target IP, which is this one right here. As a response, the computer, the target computer is gonna send an acknowledge saying its MAC address and its IP address. So this is how you can connect with a computer from another network.